Hi, welcome to the Attractions Near Me YouTube channel. I recently got this really cool puzzle for my birthday, so why don't you join me as I build it. All the little plastic pieces that were in the bag had a little number on the back. So what I've done, I've gone and put them in little rows of 10 for each of the numbers. So you might be able to see the first row is everything that's got a number from 1 to 10. The numbers are really small and hard to see. I used to try and zoom in at one of these. It starts at row 1 to 10 and goes all the way up to row 200. So there's 211 at the end there. You can see that all should now be in some sort of order, that I can just pick them up one row at a time and start building a model. Okay, so the model's all completed now. It just took a little bit of fiddling about with that bit at the top, but we got there. And let's have a look. I have to turn the lights out for this. Okay, so we're just going to try the lights on it and see how it looks with the lights on. There we go, very good. Oh, we can have it with red. There it is with the red lights. Cool. I think I like the white ones better. We'll have it like that.